Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to cut 1440 circle skirt or peplum. Do you get it? And so when it comes to circle cutting, you can cut one, which is 360. You can cut two, 720, which we already have the video there. You can cut three, you can cut four, you can cut five. How much you want to cut the circle, you will cut it. The most important thing is your waist measurement is what you are going to divide it into the number of circles you want to cut. Do you get it? And so the waist measurement we are using for this is 24 inches. We are using a waist measurement of 24, and then the length of the skirt will be 5 inches. Do you get it? 5 plus 1 to make it 6. The 1 inch is for sewing allowance. So the 24, we are going to divide it into 4 because we are going to cut 4 circles. You get it? Divide it into 4, and when you divide it into 4, that's going to give us 6. So divided by 4 is going to give us 6. Do you get it? And so the 6, you can add 1 inch to 8, and that will be okay. Adding 1 inch is perfect. But if you want to add pleat to it, you can add 2 inches. If you want to add pleat or gathers to it, you can add 2 inches or more. Do you get it? So I'm adding plus 2, making it 8 inches. Do you get it? And so this 8, you are going to divide it by the circle radius, which is 6.28. This is standard for circle, full circle, 6.28. So the 8 divided by 6.28 is going to give us 1.2. Do you get it? So 1.2 plus the skirt length, which is 5 plus 1 inch allowance, 6, and that's going to give us 7.2. So you will need 7.2 times 4. That is the fabric width and length. So 7.2 times 2 is going to give you 14.4. So at the end of the day, you need your width to be 14.4. You need the length to also be 14.4. Do you get it? And so what I have here, and so you need that 4. So what I have here, this one is 19, almost 20 inches, 19.5, and then the length is 14.6. Do you get it? 14.6. So you will need 1, 2, 4. You need 4 of these because at the end of the day you are cutting 4 circles. Okay, so I'll put this aside, one aside, and then let's work with one. So this one you are going to fold it into 4 because at the end of the day you are cutting a full circle. Do you get it? So fold it into 4. So fold it into 2, fold it again to make it 4. Do you get it? So this is it. So at the end of the day, this is where you are going to cut your waist. Do you get it? So the waist you are cutting is 1.2. Do you get it? Don't forget yourself. 1.2. So this is 1.2. You are going to take it all round, okay? And then I'll come here also. 1.2, 1.2, and then come here again. 1.2. and then come here again. 1.2. So the next thing to do is to join the points. You see? Okay, so the next thing is to stand here and measure the length of the skirt or the length of the peplum, which is 6 inches. That is 5 plus 1. The 1 inch, half inch will take the down hemming hemming it down, and then the ½ inch is the what you join to your dress or your band. Do you get it? Or what you use to add to lining to turn it. So 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. That is it. So I'm going to cut it. And so I have this so I'm going to cut 4 of this. At the end of the day, we need 4 to be equal with your waist. Do you get it? So this is it. I have 4 of it. So at the end of the day, if you are cutting a circle skirt or flare skirt or peplum, all that you need is the waist measurement and then the length of the skirt. Do you get it? If you want to have 10 of this, then it means you're going to divide your waist measurement into 10. Then you take 1 and then add at least 1 or ½ inch. If you are going for 10, then ½ inch should be okay. And then you do what? You divide it by the standard measurement, which is 6.28 for full circle. Do you get it? Half a circle will be 3.14. Do you get it? And so this is it. We have 4. And so the next thing to do is to divide this just on one side so that you can join it with the other one. Do you get it? So we are going to add all together this way. So this is it. I've joined all 4 together, and then we have this as our peplum or our circle skirt or our flare skirt. So at the end of the day, because I added 2 inches to it, when I measure, it will be more than the 24. Do you get it? It will be more than the 24. So 1 inch will be okay. But bear in mind that you're also going to add zip allowance to it. Help to take care of what? The zip allowance. Do you get it? So this is it. This is it. Very simple and easy. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, share and leave a comment and subscribe. When you like this video, YouTube will suggest the video for others to watch. So please, your likes and your comments are very important. Please do that for me and share as well. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.